traveling bag ideas, I got you. This bread bag is amazing. I'm sure you would love it. These are different designs of traveling bags that I saw, and I was wowed. Like, people need these things. How am I going to enter this thing? How? Like, am I going to fold clothes into that? This is nice. This is the cutest I've seen so far. I think I really like this one. Why is this one transparent? All my clothes are going to be visible to everybody. Why does it have to be transparent? I don't understand. Okay, are we going to space jam or somewhere in space? What kind of design is this? Why does this look like it is an edible? Because I don't understand. So this traveling bag can also serve as a car too. We can travel in this. Amazing. We're now playing with food designs because I don't know why anybody would even make something like this. Really, this is actually funny, traveling with a physical wardrobe. It's really nice. I like the design. This one is going to make people think I have money. Like, it's just the design. There's no money there. Please don't come for me.